Hop into the 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, backup camera, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine, alarm, tire pressure monitoring system, blind spot monitor. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.